Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Stereogram by Strosahl. So we have standard irregular 6x6 Sudoku rules. So what that means is we still have a Latin square. So in each row and each column, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. But instead of our normal 2x3 boxes, we have irregular regions. Some call this a jigsaw. And so we still have these bold outline regions. They're all 6 in size, and they all contain the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each, but they're just a different shape. And so you can see these bold outlines help you with the shapes. All right. In addition to that, we do have these look and say lines. They're just drawn as lines. Normally they'd be cages, but they're drawn as lines for visual clarity. And so there's a number on the, labeling each line, and that number tells you exactly how many digits are on the line. So in this case, it's 2 1s and 1 4. So this line has exactly 2 1s and exactly 1 4. No more 1s, no fewer 1s, no more 4s, no fewer 4s. That's an exact number. And then if that doesn't fill up the whole line, then you can put any other digits on the line. You just can't put more 2s or 4s. So that's how you read those. And that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. I think I'm not going to need to color in this puzzle, so I'm actually just going to color each region because that's going to really help distinguish them visually. So we're just going to give each region its own color here, and we'll just leave that one white. So what do I want to start with? Well, this seems interesting. We have 2 2s and 2 5s, and 2 4s and 2 6s. All right. So how do we put 2 2s on here? Well, I can tell you we're not putting a 2 here, because if we put a 2 here, then we can only have 1 2 on the entire line. And so we're going to need a 2 here and a 2 here. And then the same with the 5. So that does use up all 4 cells, right? So this can't be a 2 or a 5 because it doesn't let us put another 2 or 5 on the line at all. So these have to be 2 5 pairs, and then this is anything other than a 2 5. So 2 3s on this line has the same issue. So we can't put a 3 here. We only have 1 2 on it in addition to that. Well, the 2 doesn't go here because of this 2 5 pair. Oh, and there's a 2 5 pair in yellow as well. That means the 2 can't go here. So the 2 is somewhere on this line here. It's in one of these 3 cells. I don't know if this quarter mark is any good, but what that's telling us is because this line needs a 2 over here somewhere, this cannot be a 2, and that resolves this 5 2. 5 and 2. And that gives us the only place for 2 on this line, which is right there. All right, and now we do need 2 3s on this line. So there's a 3 here and there's not a 3 here. So this has to be the 3, and then there's a 3 in one of these two. And that 3 would share the yellow region, right? And so the 3 ends up here. Okay. So now we've got 2 1s and 1 4. So we know this is not a 1. So there's a 1 here and here. I think I'm just going to use corner marks for the lines today, at least for now. And then a singular 4. Now over here we have 2 4s. So there's a 4 here and a 4 here. Now we can't have the 4s both be here. So there's definitely 1 here or here, or both. And then we also have, we have 2 4s and 2 6s. So we can do the same logic here where we get a 4 6 pair. It's even better. This is a 4 6 pair in purple as well. So that means this can't be 4, and then this 4 6 pair sees here as well. So these can't be a 4. So the 4 goes in one of these 3. We're basically repeating the same thing we had before. So 4 is in one of these 3, and I think that might actually end up resolving it. Yeah, this 4 6 pair means not here, but we're going to end up having, this can't be 4, because 4 needs to be in one of these 2. So that's 6, that's 4, that's 6, that's 4, and then that's in green, so that prevents this 4. So this is our 4, and this is our 1, and that prevents this 1, so that's a 1. Nice. Now that's it for the look and say, so I think we just have a regular Sudoku at this point. These 2 6s look up, placing 6 in our green. The rest of purple is 2 3 5, and this can't be 2 or 3, so that's our 5, and this 3 tells me that's 2 and that's 3. Column finishes with a 1. Let's see. Orange needs a 2, and it's going to be in one of these 2. I don't think that's worth marking right now because we already have a 2 in blue. What about the rest of... Oh, we can finish this row. That'll help. And then the rest of this is we need a 1 and a 4. And this 4 to... Oh, this row finishes. That's 1, that's 4. So in this row, we need 5, 6. This 6 says not here. So that's 5, that's 6. Or this 6. This column needs a 3 and a 5. This 3 tells me that's 5, that's 3. I need a 1 and a 4 in here. Okay, this is a 1, 4 pair. What's this pair? 2, 3. That's 2, 3. Ah, that's not a 3. So that's 2, that's 3, that's 2. These two digits are a 3, 5. This 5 tells us the order. I need a 1 in blue. That goes here. That gives me 4 and 1. And then these two digits are a 4 and 6. So that's 6, that's 4, and we're done. All right, nice puzzle, Strosahl. I liked how it happened twice. So we learned things, and then we were able to apply it again. That's always nice in the adventure series. Gives us more practice. So yeah, that was neat how that ended up resolving. Very, very nice use of the irregular regions as well. Let me know how you did. If you enjoyed this, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.